हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हो आप सब लोग। स्वागत है आपका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी विद डॉक्टर पवन ओबराय पर। मैं डॉक्टर पवन ओबराय, हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट, फैकल्टी ऑफ कॉमर्स, भगवती कॉलेज मेरठ। बच्चों, आज इस वीडियो में मैंने आपके लिए जो है इंडियन कल्चर एंड नेशनल ग्लोरी का जो सीसीएस यूनिवर्सिटी मेरठ में जो बीए बीकॉम बीएससी में आपका फर्स्ट ईयर में रेगुलर और प्राइवेट दोनों बच्चों का जो एग्ज़ाम होता है, तो उसका मैं इंग्लिश में वीडियो अपलोड कर रहा हूँ। ठीक है, अभी मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले इसका पार्ट फर्स्ट अपलोड किया है, तो जो बच्चे मुझसे फर्स्ट टाइम जुड़ रहे हैं या जिन्होंने नहीं देखी है तो मेरा चैनल स्टडी विद डॉक्टर पवन ओबराय को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा, लाइक और शेयर भी कर लीजिएगा, और वहाँ प्लेलिस्ट में आप देख सकते हैं बच्चों। ठीक है ना, उसमें पार्ट फर्स्ट मैंने अपलोड कर दिया है, और दूसरा प्रीवियस ईयर के कुछ मैंने क्वेश्चन पेपर भी जो है अपलोड करे हैं, हिंदी और इंग्लिश मीडियम दोनों में। हिंदी मीडियम में थोड़ा भारतीय संस्कृति के ज़्यादा अपलोड है, इंग्लिश मीडियम में कम है। ठीक है बच्चों, तो ये वीडियो बनाने के थोड़ी देर बाद मैं प्रीवियस ईयर के जो आपके 16 पेपर हैं तो वो मैं सॉल्व करवाऊंगा आपको, इंग्लिश में भी और हिंदी में भी, क्योंकि बैक पेपर के भी मेरे पास में कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं, और 2016 के भी मेरे पास में क्वेश्चन पेपर हैं, 2017 के भी मेरे पास में कुछ क्वेश्चन पेपर आ चुके हैं ना। ठीक है बच्चों, तो मेरा चैनल नेम है स्टडी विद डॉक्टर पवन ओबराय। ठीक है, और बच्चों मैं फिर से वही बात करता हूँ कि मिस्टेक हो जाती है, कई बार कंप्यूटर एरर होता है, कई बार मुझसे ही मिस्टेक होती है, तो आप नेगेटिव कमेंट ना दें, और अगर आपको उसका आंसर पता है तो आप उस आंसर की स्टडी कर लीजिएगा। ठीक है ना, आप देख रहे हो मैं एक दिन में कितने सारे क्वेश्चंस दे रहा हूँ और कॉलेज में एग्जाम ड्यूटी भी देता हूँ, और आपके लिए सिर्फ मैं मेहनत कर रहा हूँ। अगर आप इस तरीके से नेगेटिव कमेंट देंगे तो फिर मैं पढ़ाना छोड़ दूंगा। ठीक है, आपको अगर मिस्टेक लगती है तो आप उस क्वेश्चन को करेक्ट कर लीजिएगा, लेकिन आप उल्टे सीधे कमेंट ना दें। अगर आपको चैनल अनसब्सक्राइब करना है तो बिल्कुल आप कर सकते हैं, उसमें मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। ठीक है ना बच्चों, तो बार बार उसी चीज़ को ये कि नेगेटिव कमेंट आप ना दें, और मैं स्वागत करता हूँ आपके नेगेटिव कमेंट देने का, इसलिए क्योंकि आप स्टडी कर रहे हो। ठीक है ना, आप जिस भी किसी बुक से स्टडी कर रहे हो सकता है कि उस बुक में कोई और आंसर गलत हो और मेरे उसमें ठीक हो, या किसी दूसरी बुक में ठीक हो। ठीक है, तो आप जो है सिर्फ पढ़ें, और आपको अगर एक्यूरेट आंसर पता है, अगर आप श्योर हैं, कॉन्फिडेंट हैं, तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है उसमें। सभी किताबों में, बड़ी बड़ी बुक्स में मिस्टेक होती है ना। ठीक है ना, मुझसे भी मिस्टेक हो सकती है। 100% परफेक्ट अपने आप में कोई भी नहीं होता है। ठीक है ना, चलिए, तो पार्ट सेकंड है आपका इसका, हु propounded द थ्योरी ऑफ मेटाबॉलिज्म। सुश्रुत, what was the language of Aryan literature? Sanskrit. Which terribly is considered the best example of Dravid कोला आर्ट स्टाइल। ठीक है, तो ऑप्शन जो है आपका एक करेक्ट है। पॉलिटिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ आर्यंस ड्यूरिंग वैदिक एज वॉज कॉल्ड गाना। ठीक है, ऑप्शन ए करेक्ट है आपका। अर्थ इज मोशनलेस, हु सेड दिस स्टेटमेंट? ब्रह्मगुप्त। व्हाट इज द नंबर ऑफ एलोरा केव्स? 34। हाउ मैनी श्लोक्स, ठीक है ना, श्लोकास बोल सकते हैं हम इसको, तो हिंदी में श्लोक ही होता है ये, आर देयर इन लीलावती? 278। Which one is not the land of Indus Valley civilization? आहार। ठीक है, which city is submerged in water in गुजरात? द्वारिका। ठीक, the Kola kings had the largest wings of defense force called? तो ऑप्शन बी, नेवी। Kachi was situated in South India. The propounder of Samkhya philosophy was Kapil Muni. Aryabhatta first was a resident of Patna. In which period India chemistry was famous? Gupta period. ठीक है, The writer of Kamsutra is Vatsyayan. Name the famous old university of South, Vallabhi. Which of the following is not a nakshatra? Mars. Conscious samadhi is a small समाधि. The main symbol of Indian art is element. Which country is called स्वर्ण भूमि? ठीक है, बर्मा. The last पुरुषार्थ in पुरुषार्थ system is मोक्ष. Which university was founded as Bodh Vihar? Option D is correct. All of the above. Nalanda, Vikramashila or Vallabhi. Agriculture is the science of cultivation on soil. In Indus Indus civilization, which art was at the top? Architecture. Cotton is the gift of which civilization? Indus civilization. The image of Vishnu lay on the bed of Singhasana was founded from Devgarh temple. How many ranges does the Himalayas? 3. देखिए कंप्लीट है अब यहाँ से, है ना. चलिए, व्हाट इज यूरेनियस? ठीक है, यूरेनस वो है आपका ग्रीन प्लैनेट. हु बिल्ट द रेड फोर्ट ऑफ दिल्ली? शाहजहां. स्वामी ऑफ स्वाति नक्षत्र इज पवन. फ्रॉम विच पीरियड द आइडल worship was started in India? Uttar Vedic period. Which Gupta king was the founder of Nalanda Vihar? Kumargupta first. The best old university of Bihar was Nalanda. The oldest granth of Hindu Vidhi is Manusmriti. Who invented Harappa city? Dayaram Sahani. Which is the most ancient Veda? Rig Veda. Ujjaini was situated at the bank of Shipra. The meaning of Pratyahara is to control sense organs. Which is the most ancient Indian culture? Sandhivya culture. ठीक है. What is evening star? Venus. Moon is the satellite of Earth. The kingdom of Maurya Empire was Patliputra. Who said Dharma and Dhond? ठीक है, is Raja. Manu. God created king. Who said this? Manu. Where is the tomb of Tansen? Gwalior. The planets discovered by the Western astronomers are all the above: Arun, Neptune and Pluto. 101 sons were Bindusar is said in Mahavashna. ठीक है, महावंशना वंशा. Which is called Shat Shastra Sanhita, Mahabharata. The first complete treatise on mathematics was Vedang Jyotish. Which is the idol of Elephanta? Trimurti. Man is the mirror copy of culture. It is said by Kimball Young. The example of sunset culture. Western society. The color of the person of Vaishya Varna was yellow. Bricks in Sanskrit are called Ishtika. How many sloks in Golpad? 50. The first development in the history of mathematics was arithmetics. Who wrote Harshcharitra? Bana. ठीक है. The national language of India is Devanagari Hindi. Who is the writer of Raghuvansha. Kalidas. The theory of soul of Shankaracharya is based on Brahma Sutra. The most ominous star is Saturn. How many Ganas were in Bazi Sangh? 8. The king was elected in Rigvedic period by Smriti. In which place king आपका है ये जमाजिया ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, ठीक है, अ तक्षशिला. When sang the Chinese traveler studied in Nalanda. Which temple is not situated at Mount Apu? Vishwanath Temple. Who is regarded as the father of architecture in Indian literature? Vishwakarma. The first book of Ayurveda is Charak Samhita. When Indus Valley civilization came into light, 1921 to 1922, the Indus Valley civilization flourished during 2500 to 1750 BC. Namokar mantra is related with Jain Dharma. The people of Indus civilization did not know about tobacco. Where is मेहरोली स्तंभ? थोड़ा सा बेटा इसके बारे में मेरे को डाउट है क्वेश्चन के बारे में, ठीक है ना, तो टिक नहीं लगाया है. द राइटर ऑफ द हिंदू व्यू ऑफ लाइफ इज डॉक्टर राधा कृष्णा. विच इज द बिगेस्ट प्लैनेट ऑफ सोलर सिस्टम? जुपिटर. वेयर इज बुलंद दरवाजा? फतेहपुर सीकरी. हाउ मैनी स्तूपास आर इन सांची? 3. Vikramshila University was situated in Bihar. These states are called Sankhya because they denote one unit. Who gave this statement? Option A, Patanjali. Unconscious samadhi is a big samadhi. How many elements are considered in the Sankhya philosophy? 25. Vikram Samvat era is considered 58 BC. Ganit Sar Sangraha was written by Mahavir Chandra. First treatment of tetanus undertaken by whom? Kashiraj Divodas. Who invented zero? Indians. Who is the highest Varna system? Brahmin. The value of 22/7 of pi is described in the book of Aryabhatta. ठीक है. Buddha was born at Lumbini. देखो बच्चों, कुछ बच्चे कहते हैं इसके बारे में, है ना, तो ये मैं आपको पहले ही बता दूं कि जो यूनिवर्सिटी की आंसर की है तो उन्होंने लुम्बिनी जो है वो अपना आंसर दे रखा है इसमें, ठीक है. हु इज द स्पेशलिस्ट ऑफ चाइल्ड डिसीज? कश्यप. हु सेड कल्चर इज एन एलिमेंट दैट डिफरेंशिएट मैन टू मैन एंड सोसाइटी टू सोसाइटी? टेलर. Adantpuri University is situated in Magad. Which language was the medium of education in ancient period? Sanskrit. Which is the hottest planet in solar system? Venus. Which was not learned a lady of Vedic period? Mirabai. Valmiki is known as Adi Kavi. Which is the Rashi from October 24 to November 22? Scorpio. The most holy river of Aryans was Saraswati. वेयर इज महाबलीपुरम, तमिलनाडु. द लॉर्ड ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न एंड एक्वायरिस राशि आर Saturn. How many Tirthankar in Jain Dharma? 24. Who wrote Yog Sutra? Patanjali. Which is Antarang Yoga? Dharma. ठीक है, सॉरी, धरना. Who called culture is a symbolic, continuous, cumulative and progressive process? L.F. White. How many Purusharth are? Option 5. Option D 5. Who is the writer of Social and Cultural Dynamics? Sorokin. Who built Taj Mahal? Shah Jahan. The old name of Lanka is Singhal. The temples of famous Dilwara are Mount Apu. Birth and death according to Shankara are the characteristics of Jiva. What is the first name in the development of Ayurveda? Charak. How many doshas are according to Charak? 3. The writer of state and government in ancient India is A.S. Astikarav. ठीक है. Lowest in Varna system is Shudra. Which city is known as Triveni Sangam? Allahabad. And now is Prayagraj. How many parvs means chapter are in Mahabharata book? 18 है students इसमें. ठीक है. How many गणराज्य are recognized by Panini? 33. How many organs of the state were recognized by Kautilya? 7. Founder of Advait Darshan was Shankaracharya. In which museum is the most impressive figure for Sultanganj Buddha of ancient India? यह Brahmanigham Museum. Earliest inscription recording the date by system of digit and zero is of Gujarat. Where was Kautilya educated and later employed? Takshila. Who was the writer of Koka Shastra? Kok Pandit. The English name of Kark Rashi is Cancer. The bases of unity are option D all of the above. Sacrifice, cooperation and love. In which state the caves of Ajanta? ठीक है, महाराष्ट्र. और महाराष्ट्र में भी कहाँ है आपके? औरंगाबाद में. Who wrote Siddhanta Shiromani? Siddhant Shiromani in mathematics. Bhaskaracharya. Second. Which were the centers of the Buddhist education? Maths. The Rashi Capricorn symbolizes the direction west. Who wrote Charak Samhita? Charak. Who was the father of Indian medical science? Charak. The tendency of ancient Indian art is diametrically opposite to that of medieval Europe. Ras Ratnakar was written by Nagarjuna. The number of planets in solar system are 9. According to Huensang, who was Kulpati of Nalanda Vishwavidyalaya? Shilbhadra. Who is the writer of Primitive Culture? Taylor. Who founded Vikramashila University? Dharampal. What was the meaning of the word Ghana in ancient India? Numbers. ये एक्चुअली गन है, ये वर्ड है ना, गाना बोल रहे हैं हम इंग्लिश में, बट ये गाना नहीं है, ये एक्चुअली गन है. ठीक है. इंडिया इज नंबर्स है इसका आंसर. इंडिया इज कॉल्ड द लैंड ऑफ फिजिकल डाइवर्सिटीज, which was the central place of Arya culture in post-Vedic period. ठीक है, ऑप्शन ए करेक्ट है. द कैपिटल ऑफ साउथ पंचल वॉज काम्पिल्या. वेयर इज फाउंडेड द्रविड़ कल्चर, तमिलनाडु. नेम द फेमस आचार्य ऑफ विक्रमशिला यूनिवर्सिटी, दीपांकर श्री ज्ञान. Which is the most important quality of Indian culture? Spirituality. ठीक है. Which type of संस्कार is उपनयन? ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट है आपका. For which word चाहत्य गुफा was utilized? Worship. Which is the basic element of Indian culture? Spirituality. The writer of Arya Siddhant is Aryabhat. In Takshila University, the tuition fee was 1,000 gold coins. The education of a Vaishya child started at 12 years. The number of Puran is 8. In Vedic period, मुखिया of राष्ट्र और जनपद was called king. In textbooks, enumerate the types of marriage are 8. What was the name of the father of Ved Vyas, writer of Mahabharata? Rishi Parashar. In ancient India, what was the first lesson of study for students? Sandhya. In ancient India, Raja was called Praja ka Sevak. Which is the root of Indian culture? Vedas. The head means Swami of Virgo is Mercury. In ancient India, administrative officer in Himalaya region was called Virat. Who wrote the book Jantantra in ancient India? Devidat Shukla. The center of Aryan cult was sacrifice. The temperature of sun surface is 6,000 degree. How many stupas were constructed by Ashok for the ashes of Gautam Buddha? ठीक है, 84,000. In Vedic age of functions of Supreme Court were performed by assembly. To which subject of Amarkosh related? Botany. Of which science is the book Surya Siddhant? Astronomy. The Aryans called their kings in the beginning as. इसका आंसर में थोड़ा सा स्टूडेंट्स मेरे को डाउट है. ठीक है. The Muslims of Philippines states the story of an Indian epic called Abhigyan Shakuntalam. In Vedic age, presiding officer, the committee means Samiti was called king. During Buddha time, republic Gan were called Sangya. The people of Indus civilization did know about iron. Who called culture is the basic environment for the activities of man, persons. Greenwich of ancient India was called Ujjaini. In which Vishwavidyalaya the advanced education in astrology and astronomy was taught? Ujjaini. Darshan is to discover the element. Basically, Indian darshan is option D, none of these. Means political, physical and traditional. ठीक है, none of these. Vallabhi Vishwavidyalaya was situated in Gujarat, Dholavir Nagar of Indus civilization was situated in Gujarat. Who was the main devta of post-Vedic period? Vishnu. The stoop of ancient India was crowned by an umbrella of wood or stone. Indian culture is ancient. Takshila imparted higher education. The scholar who praised the discipline, the character of students in ancient India was all of the above. Option D. ठीक है, A, B and C. Where were the relics of Paleolithic eggs found? Tamil Nadu. Name of the Gandrajyas described in Buddhist literature. Shakya, Lichvi. For the throat disease, the treatment was. Option A is correct. For throat disease, the treatment was. Option A is correct. The book Mansar is related to. Option A, architecture. In ancient India, the constellation of stars was called nakshatra. The basic element of Indian culture. The basic element of Indian culture is. Option B is correct. Another name of Indian civilization is. Option C is correct. Only evident is evidence. Which philosophy agrees to it? Option D, Charak. Mrig Pakshi Shastra book is related with which science? Zoology. The tithis according to Indians are 15. How many Vedas are? 4. How many Vedangas are? 6. Which is the philosophy of Shankaracharya? Advaita. ठीक है, सॉरी, ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट है, एडवैता. ठीक है. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ गण अकॉर्डिंग टू जॉली? असेंबली. द मोस्ट एंशियंट मैथमेटिशियन इन इंडिया इज आर्यभट्ट. सेकंड. हु इन्वेंटेड अलजेब्रा? आर्यभट्ट. हु was the chief musician of Gwalior Gharana? Tansen. Which Rashi symbolized north? Scorpio. What type of sanskar is nishkramana? Sanskar of childhood. The paintings of Ajanta are related with Buddha religion. The Rashi Leo symbolize the directions east. The literal meaning of ashram is Vishram Sthal. How many Rashi are recognized by Indian Jyotish? 12. What is the number of Upanishad? 108. Bhaskar II was born in 1114 AD. How many statues of Leon are Sarnath pillar? 4. How many shloks are there in Ganipad? 33. How many types of karma have been told by Manu? 3. Great contribution of Indian philosophy to realm of philosophy is Advaita philosophy. The pioneer in the field of metallurgy was Patanjali. Book of Sridharacharya, translation of which in Arabic is Hizb ul Takht is Patiganit. ठीक है. In India, in which age man and woman enjoy equal rights? Pre-Vedic period. The basic philosophy of Jainism is written in Parakat. In which book do we find the techniques of making brick? Yajurved. The Bhagavad Gita is the part of Mahabharata. In Atharvaved, the planets have been classified into 8 classes. The author of Raschandra Chintamani is Govind Bhagwat Pant, who was first to perform organ transplant in the history of Ayurveda. Ashwini Kumar. By which digit Amavasya is indicated? 30. In how many parts each nakshatra has been divided in Jyotish Shastra? 4. How many parts of Thravya were told by Kannad? 9. Who has established Champa states? India. To which province relates the dance Kuchipudi? Andhra Pradesh. Which Indian mathematician has solved the Anardikharit Samikaran? Bhaskar first. Who was the writer of the book named Elements? Euclid. At the lowest stages of Varn Vyatsanya, Surdas. Who is recognized at the first Kshitishk in India? Sushrut. Which out of the following the symbol of culture? TV. In Indian architecture, the main theme is spiritualism. The city-state in post-Vedic age were. Option D is correct. A, B, C. ठीक है. Kosambani, Varanasi and Tripuri. Option D is correct. All of the above. Greater India had its trade relation with Afghanistan. In which relation is Badrinath situated? In which region is Badrinath situated? Uttaranchal. ठीक है, मीन्स उत्तराखंड आपका. According to Kautilya, who should be recruited in the army? Brahman. Brahma is true and world is false. Who said this? Shankaracharya. In which era were the statues of Buddha made? Gupta age. Which deity was worshipped in Indus civilization? Shiva and Mother Goddess. To whom did Srinivas Ramanujan send his theorems? Hardy. Bhoot Vidya is related to mental disease. Where is Moti Masjid? In the Agra fort. Who is the author of Nyaya Sutra? Gautam. In which book the example of horse treatment are found? Rigved. Who was the first Tirthankar of Jain? Rishabdev. What is the main purpose of education in ancient time? Character formation. In which period astronomy was introduced? Vedic period. Which of the following is not related to ashram? ठीक है, व्यवस्था. Option D, Rajneesh Ashram. Vice Chancellor of Nalanda University, Mr. Shilbhadra was a scholar of Yog Shastra. Which god is the honor of Purnima date? Moon. In which university Jivak was both teacher as well as student? Takshila. How many colleges were in Vikramashila University? 6. How many nakshatra have been admitted by Indian astronomers? 27. How many members were in the Central Assembly of Lichachavis 7707? Who built Jama Masjid? Shah Jahan. Which is the special process in Hatha Yoga? Asan. Indian mathematics was started from Rig Veda. Famous musician Tansen was in the court of Akbar. Who started the number 4 to 20? Option B, Atharvan. Who wrote Leelavati? Bhaskaracharya. Who called Earth is round? Aryabhat. Which is the breaking star? थोड़ा सा स्टूडेंट्स डाउट है मेरे को इसके बारे में, ठीक है, ब्रेकिंग स्टार का. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैज बीन नेम्ड एज आदि काव्य? वाल्मीकि रामायण. विच planet is called the blue planet? Earth. Duration of moon years is 354.5 days. The chemical science in ancient India was attendant to medical science. In ancient times of Arabians said the maths art of calculation. India is said to be a subcontinent. The author of the book Aryabhat is Aryabhat first. Arunachal is said to be the sun rising state. The statue of Gath is vertical, which is called Angadeep is Vayu Puran, Champa. The learned behavior of a man is called culture. The meaning of Sangya is confederation of states. What is the literal meaning of Varna? Color. How many fundamental elements according to Indian scientists? 5. The writer of the book named Cultural Sociology is Gillen and Gillen. In ancient period was called option D is correct. ठीक है, आर्यवर्त और जम्बूद्वीप और हिंदुस्तान, ठीक है ना. ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. इन आश्रम सिस्टम द एज ऑफ अ मैन इज 100 years. विच इज रेड प्लैनेट? मार्स. Who is whose name is famous for atomic theory? Kanad. The decimal system was introduced by Bhaskar. The most famous 8th century temple is in Kashmir is Vishnu temple. The main part of worshipping in Harappa was लिंग पूजन. ठीक है, देखिए ये रहा आंसर, लिंग पूजन. The capital of India is New Delhi. The oldest religious book in the world is Rig Veda. The oldest Indian literature is available from Rig Veda. The sitting place of a student in ancient India was ground, means Jameen. The Son culture is named on the basis of a river. In which literature the ruling system was discussed? First of all, Buddha literature. The best Shiv temple of the 10th and 12th centuries in Tenzar. According to Kautilya, the second organs of a state is Amatya. What was the name of elder brother of Mahavir? ठीक है, ऑप्शन ए नारावर्धना. Second name of Veda is Shruti. Who was the Acharya of Ayurveda? Charak. When was copper first used in India? Harappa civilization. Who is the writer of Ayurved? सर्वास्व, ठीक है, राजा भोज. Who is the writer of Hindu संस्कार? राजा बलि पांडे. Under whose rules were built the caves of Ellora? राष्ट्रकूट. Who built Tamra Vihar in Nalanda? Samrat Harsh. And last question is, who is the rank of India in terms of area in the world? 7th. ठीक है बच्चों, तो ये मैंने आपको टोटल 600 क्वेश्चंस दे दिए हैं. ये पार्ट आपका सेकंड था. ठीक है, क्वेश्चंस मेरे पास और भी बहुत सारे हैं जो मैंने कलेक्ट किए हैं. अभी 830 क्वेश्चन मेरे पास में और हैं इन क्वेश्चंस के अलावा. ठीक है, बट ये जो 600 क्वेश्चंस मैंने आपको प्रोवाइड कराए हैं पिछले 10 ईयर्स में, बीए, बीकॉम, बीएससी, फर्स्ट ईयर, रेगुलर और प्राइवेट ईयर में आए हुए, उन सब के सेट्स का एक कंक्लूजन था जो मैंने आपको दिया है. मैं ये नहीं कहता कि इन 600 क्वेश्चन को आप पढ़ करके मेरे हिसाब से तो देखो, इन 600 क्वेश्चन को आप पढ़ेंगे तो आप 50 to 60 क्वेश्चन आराम से पढ़ सकते हैं. ठीक है, इसके बाद मैं आपको अभी प्रीवियस ईयर के जो हैं कुछ सोल्ड पेपर भी आपको कराऊंगा, हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों मीडियम में. हिंदी में मैंने अभी थोड़े से ज़्यादा कराए हैं, कुछ बैक पेपर भी मेरे पास में अवेलेबल हो गए हैं और 2016 के भी क्वेश्चन पेपर्स मेरे पास अवेलेबल हो गए हैं. ठीक है ना बच्चों, तो ये मैं आपको अभी कराऊंगा. और दूसरा, जो बच्चे कह रहे हैं कि सर कंपनी लॉ का पेपर या कॉर्पोरेट अकाउंटिंग का पेपर, तो अभी पेपर आने दीजिए, मैं उसके बाद आपको कराऊंगा. मैं आपको बार बार बताता हूं बच्चों, इतना समय मेरे पास नहीं होता क्योंकि मैं कॉलेज में भी अपना शिफ्ट्स में ड्यूटी करता हूं. ठीक है ना, आजकल आप को पता है कि 3 शिफ्ट में आपके एग्जाम्स चल रहे हैं. नाइट में आके वीडियो बनाता हूं, मॉर्निंग में वीडियो बनाना पॉसिबल इसलिए नहीं है ज़्यादा क्योंकि सुबह सुबह अधिकतर एग्जाम ड्यूटी मेरी होती है. ठीक है, फिर भी जितना पॉसिबल हो पा रहा है मेरे से उतना मैं आप लोगों का साथ दे रहा हूं और आगे भी देता रहूँगा. ठीक है ना बच्चों, तो वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिएगा. मेरा चैनल नेम है स्टडी विद डॉक्टर पवन ओबराय. थैंक यू बच्चों.